Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download Pinterest video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and let's say for example I want to download this video, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click right here, the upload at the bottom right here. Okay, basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy the link before I share it. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to just go back to my screen and then go ahead to my browser and then search for Pinterest downloader. So I'm gonna just go ahead to any website that allows me to download it, paste the link that you just copied, hit download right here, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just wait it out for a few moments right here, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just force download this video, and that video will be shared to your device. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.